Good afternoon. Welcome to Fashion Boutique. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I need to buy some clothes for myself and my children.
Great. What are you looking for?
Well, I need a new pajama set and some women's underwear. I'm also looking for a pair of boots, a blouse, a skirt, and a belt for myself.
Sure, let's start with the pajamas and underwear. What size do you need?
I wear a medium size.
We have a variety of pajama sets over here. Do you prefer cotton or satin?
I prefer cotton. It's more comfortable for me.
Here are some cotton pajama sets in medium. We have different colors and patterns. Do you like any of these?
Yes, I like this blue one with the floral pattern. I'll have this one. Now for the underwear, do you have a set?
Yes, we have sets of bras and panties. What size and style do you prefer?
I wear a size 36B bra and medium panties. I like the lace style.
We have these lace sets in your size. They come in different colors like black, white, and red. Which one would you like?
I'll choose the black and white sets.
Excellent choice. Now, let's move on to the boots. What style are you looking for?
I need a pair of ankle boots. Something I can wear every day.
We have these leather ankle boots. They're very popular and comfortable. What size do you wear?
I wear a size 8.
Here are the ankle boots in size 8. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please.
A few minutes later.
These fit perfectly. I'll take them.
Great. Now, you mentioned you need a blouse, a skirt, and a belt. What kind of blouse are you looking for?
I need a blouse for work. Something elegant but comfortable.
We have these silk blouses. They are very elegant and come in various colors. Do you have a color preference?
I'd like a white blouse.
Here is a white silk blouse in medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, I will.
A few minutes later.
This fits well, I'll get this. Now for the skirt. I need something that matches the blouse.
We have these pencil skirts that go well with the blouse. What size do you need?
I wear a size 10.
Here is a black pencil skirt in size 10. Would you like to try it on as well?
Yes, I'll do that.
A few minutes later.
This is very well, I'll have this one. And now for the belt.
We have these leather belts. They come in black and brown. Which color do you prefer?
The black is the one I want.
Perfect. Now, what do you need for your children?
For my daughter, who is 16 years old, I need a dress, a pair of sandals, and a handbag.
What style of dress does she like?
She likes summer dresses. Something light and comfortable.
We have these summer dresses. They come in different colors and patterns. What size does she wear?
She wears a size small.
Here are some size small summer dresses. Do you think she would like any of these?
Yes, this yellow floral dress is ideal. I'll go with this. Now for the sandals.
What size does she wear?
She wears a size 7.
Here are some stylish sandals in size 7. Would you like to see any specific color?
A neutral color would be good.
These beige sandals are very popular. How about these?
Yes, they look excellent. I'll pick this one. At this moment, I need a handbag for her.
We have these handbags. They come in various styles and colors. Any specific style she prefers?
She likes shoulder bags. Something casual.
Here is a casual shoulder bag in beige. Do you think she would like this?
Yes, it matches the sandals. This will do. Now for my son, who is 15 years old, I need a pair of jeans, a t-shirt, sneakers, and a backpack.
What size jeans does he wear?
He wears a size 32.
Here are some size 32 jeans. Do you prefer any specific style?
Just regular fit jeans.
These regular fit jeans are perfect for everyday wear. How about these?
They are ideal. I'll pick these. Now for the t-shirt, he wears a medium.
We have these graphic t-shirts in medium. Do you have any color preference?
He likes blue, so a blue t-shirt would be great.
Here is a blue graphic t-shirt in medium. Does this look good?
Yes, that's perfect. Now for the sneakers, he wears a size 9.
These size 9 sneakers are very comfortable and stylish. Would you like to see any specific brand?
Any brand is fine as long as they are durable.
These sneakers are durable and come in blue and black. Which color would you prefer?
Let's go with the black ones.
Good choice. Now, let's find a backpack for him. Any specific type?
He needs a backpack for school, so something sturdy and with plenty of pockets.
This backpack is perfect for school. It has multiple compartments and is very sturdy. Does this work?
Yes, that's terrific. I'll take it. I think that's everything.
Wonderful. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Perfect. Here's your total. Please insert your card.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day and enjoy your new clothes.
Thank you, I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.